Many gaming chair products are available, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best gaming chairs from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Autofull C3 Gaming Chair. Rating 4.5. Autofull Computer Chair conducted a survey of global users and found that ordinary lumbar pillows cannot provide good support for the back. The lumbar pillow is designed according to the natural curve of the human spine, which can better fit the back and disperse back pressure. And it uses high-density native memory foam to address the drawback of lumbar pillows being too hard and easy to collapse, thereby improving the lumbar pillow's comfort. Autofull Gaming Chair has more functions than ordinary office chairs and can meet more of your needs. Autofull Game Chair's back can tilt freely between 90 degrees 165 degrees. When you are tired of working or gaming, you can use the gaming chairs with footrest and rocking function to find a comfortable sleeping position for a short rest and help relieve fatigue. In addition, our adjustable armrests can be adjusted up, down, left and right to provide better support for your arm. Number 4. IWMH Gaming Chair. Rating 4.6. The 3D adjustable and rotatable armrests allow your arms to be in the most comfortable position. With the assistance of 135 degrees recline mechanism, you could find a perfect position to work, play, read or nap without restrictions. The 360-degree swivel and silent casters make work and play more flexible. Designed for all body types, this gaming chair will bring you unrivaled comfort and support whether at home or in the office. The unique backrest design that resembles a real car seat gives it a stylish look and greatly enhances your gaming experience. Number 3. Reciova Gaming Chair. Rating 4.8. The gaming chair boasts adjustable and rotatable armrests, 360-degree chair rotation, and a backrest that can be adjusted up to 170 degrees. Additionally, it has a 15-degree tilt function for added comfort. Our gaming chair is suitable for various activities, such as gaming, office work, studying, and relaxing. It can be used according to your preference and makes for an ideal gift for occasions like New Year's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Christmas, and more. Our goal is to provide you with a safe and comfortable product that meets your needs. Number 2. Padiumage Ergonomic Gaming Chair. Rating 4.8. Padiumage is committed to creating the most comfortable ergonomic gaming chair, which support a healthy sitting posture, so that you can enjoy the gamer life in comfort. The extra footrest and 3D adjustable armrest covered with soft PU leather allow you to enjoy a high-quality nap anytime, anywhere, and recover quickly. Based on the mission of Built for the Ultimate Comfort, our Mecha Recliner High Back Gamer is designed with ergonomic construction to perfectly fit the forecurvature of the human spine. The lumbar support of this gaming chair provides a proper support by adaptive rotating 10 degrees, gliding up and down by 60 millimeters. It can be locked at 3 gears for optimal comfort, suit different body types, and help you maintain good posture. Release your spinal pressure. Number 1. Zhisheng Gaming Chair. Rating 5.0. The gaming chair is made of racing-grade carbon fiber and PU leather material leather. Soft PU leather is more durable than ordinary leather, which is professionally stitched with extraordinary comfort to provide you with a better sense of touch. The cushion is filled with double-thickness high-density memory latex, which is very flexible and breathable. Let you work or play for a long time without feeling fatigue. Wider and thicker backrest with latex headrest and lumbar pillow design to better fit your body curve. The back of the gaming chair adopts a unique curved design, effectively relieves pressure on the cervical spine and back to ensure your comfort. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.